Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need 1 peach, 2 chocolate chips, 3 cherries, and a half of a banana. You will need to cut your peach in half, your cherries in half, have your banana sliced, and keep the pits and stems of your cherries. Let's get started. I've put my ingredients off to the side, and I'm going to start by grabbing my peach halves. I'm going to put them face down so that we don't see where the pits were kept. One of my peach halves is a little bit bigger than the other one, so I'm going to switch them up because I want the smaller half to be the head of my bear. Next, I'm going to grab my cherries and get these spread out on my board. Cherries are an amazing fruit. Did you know that they are full of magnesium, iron, vitamin C, and they can even help lower bad cholesterol? Cholesterol is a fat that you have in your blood, and it's okay, but sometimes people have too much cholesterol, and cherries can help lower that. How cool is that? You can see that I've arranged my cherries to be the ears, the arms, and the legs for my bear. Next, I'm going to grab my banana slices. Now, I'm only going to need a couple of them, but that's okay. I'll have plenty of banana to eat later. I'm going to put 1 banana on the belly and 1 in the middle of the peach on top. I can see that I have different sizes of banana slices. I'm going to grab the 2 smaller ones, and these are going to be the eyes for my bear. Next, I'm going to grab the stems that I kept from my cherries. Isn't it cool that I can use this different part from my cherry to work as a facial feature for my bear? This curvy little stem is perfect for a smiling mouth. And I have 1 tiny little stem piece that I will put below the nose, connecting it to the mouth. I'm also going to use the cherry pits. Wow, isn't that pretty cool that I can use all parts of the cherry for my snack animal? I'm going to put 2 of the pits on the eyes and 1 of the pits on the nose. How is your bear looking so far? Is he or she quirky and funny? Do they like to dance and move around? Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. That's what my bear likes to do. My last step is going to put little tiny chocolate chips as the pupils on my bear's eye. Aww, they're cute. How did your bear turn out? Does it look different than mine? I'd love to see a picture of it. You can email us at soulpowersnacks@gmail.com. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!